Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy, coming right back at you with another video. Now, last week we spoke about how to build confidence as a singer. This week, I'm going to be giving you a practical exercise that's going to be super effective in really helping you to build up your confidence levels quickly. So stay tuned and let's talk about it. Now, I know that we can all from time to time suffer from self-doubt, insecurities, and a lack of confidence. And some days we may even feel more confident than we do on others. But the good thing is that we can really be increasing our confidence levels. And this exercise is really going to help you to do that on a daily basis so that your confidence levels are just increasing and increasing and increasing and increasing and increasing until you're shining like the star that you are. My goodness, that just sounded super cheesy, but it's so true, you know, so that you're shining in your full potential as a singer, as a human being. So this exercise is really going to help you identify and control your thoughts during your singing practice. Remember, it is all about replacing those negative thoughts with positive thoughts. And if you want to find out a little bit more about that, then go and watch my last week's video, because then this week's video is going to make so much more sense. So now let me share this practical exercise that's really going to help to build up your confidence levels for singing. So this exercise is all about creating a self-talk log during your singing practice. So let me take you through it step by step. Step 1, pick a song to work on that is challenging but not too challenging. Step 2, have a notebook and a pen handy so you can quickly write down your thoughts. Step 3, practice singing the song for around 5 to 10 minutes, and anytime that you have a thought, stop and then quickly write the thought down. Step 4, when you finish practicing, check the notebook, have a look at the written down thoughts and then count them. How many thoughts did you have? Step 5, I want you to check how many thoughts were unsupportive, irrelevant, and distracting. Did you make any personal attacks on yourself? How many negative thoughts did you write down? And then step 6, I want you to check how many thoughts were supportive, relevant, and helpful to your singing practice. How many positive thoughts did you write down? So now that you have that information, I want you to look at the negative thoughts and I want you to begin to rewrite those negative thoughts with more positive thoughts. This is super important because our subconscious takes the repeated and consistent messages that we tell ourselves, whether they're negative, whether they're positive, whether we mean them, whether we don't, it takes those thoughts as reality. So we then need to replace those negative thoughts with more positive thoughts. And this is all about building confidence from the inside out. Not fake confidence, real, flipping, solid confidence. Let's do it. Okay, so that's it from me. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, it is all about just bringing an awareness of your thoughts. Once you're aware, you can really begin to replace those negative thoughts with positive thoughts. And I know this is going to help so much because it helped in my life and it's still helping me today. If you're new to this channel and you found this video helpful, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe, hit that notification bell and hit that like button, and yeah, share these videos with anyone you feel is going to find them beneficial. But you know what? I just want to say thanks to you all for your support. Thanks for subscribing. I'm just really enjoying doing these videos and just being able to help you as much as I possibly can, you know, as singers and even just in your everyday life, right? But yeah, that's pretty much it from me. It's pretty late here, so I'm probably gonna head to bed soon. Have an amazing rest of the week, and I will see you next week on Thursday when my next video is out. Mwah! Much love.